Hi everyone! This quick tutorial will explain the process of changing between your multiple Beanstack accounts or readers, if you have multiple. So after logging into your Beanstack Tracker app, you'll want to click on the icon in the top right corner that typically will include an image of your child and or the initials of the name of the person that you're on their account. So after clicking on the top right corner, you can see all of the readers that are attached to this account. So if I needed to change over to Jenny's account, you just click on that person's checkbox and it changes over to their information and all of their stats would be loaded here. If you need to change between readers on different accounts, you'll click that top right icon again, and you'll click the change button beside the name of the username of the person whose account you are on. So click the change icon, and you'll be able to see between the multiple accounts you have attached to your profile. And then all of your information will be logged and added here. Hello everyone! After you've logged in to your Beanstack account online, the easiest way to change between readers is by clicking on their name from the left-hand corner. When you click on their name, you'll then be able to see all the readers attached to this profile. So for right now, I'm viewing Betsy Example's profile, but if I were to click on John Example's profile, I can see all of the programs that John has registered for or is enrolled in, and I can also see anything that he may have logged in the past. So from here, it's the easiest option to just click on this left button to toggle between readers.